Francesco! She land upside down?
Yeah.
Look at this. This is a nice blue truck.
The cars.
Look at all those new cars. Wow, there's 30 of them there. Oh, wow. Look at the pool.
The cars pool.
Oh, you want to put the cars in the pool?
Yeah.
Okay, we could do that. Look at all these cars. Look at all these cool cars. Wow. What is that? Is that Mater?
Yeah.
That's Chick. That is Cal Weathers. Look at this one. It's Dirty Lightning McQueen. Demolition Derby. Remember?
Yeah.
Look at this Mater. He's got a traffic cone on his head. You see that? What do you think of that? Look at his teeth. He's got traffic cones for teeth. Jackson Storm. Wow. Another Jackson Storm. He's got dirty tires. Look. Look at this guy. Wow, look at this Corvette. Tomater.
The pool.
Yep. Oh, yep, gas. Yep, almost forgot the gas.
Motors.
No more gas.
Up, Daddy.
Going up. Here you go, Mater. Oh, Mater. Whoa. That was a big splash. Ooh, Dirty Lightning McQueen.
The pool.
Yep, right into the pool.
The yucky, Daddy.
He's yucky. He's got dirt on him.
The yucky.
Yep.
The gas, Daddy.
Get the gas. Yep.
No more gas.
No more gas.
No more gas.
More gas?
No more gas.
No more gas.
Up, Daddy. Look.
Who's next? It's a hard decision. Cal. Cal Weathers. Nice.
The pool.
Yep, it's blue. Just like the ramp. Woo!
No. Wow.
Yep, that's Chick. Look at him, and he's got his headset on.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Daddy.
Yeah, he bounced in. Did you see that? Look at the wheels on this. This is from, you know what this is from? This is from the Demolition Derby. Look, it's got little dents and stuff on it. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Feel the little dents on it? It's all beat up. See that?
Yeah, Daddy.
Yep. Ooh, Silver King. Ooh, that's a next gen racer. Wow, look. The whole front, look at the tar on the front from the racetrack. That's a cool one. Oh, and the purple wheels. Look at the purple wheels. You're gonna do the pink one too?
Yeah.
Cool, tank coat. Here goes Tank. Oh, Tank didn't make it. Try again. There he goes. Yep. Yep, put him down the blue one too.
Woo.
Wow, look at that. That's a cool car.
Car.
Cool car. Ooh, look at this orange one. Wow. That's a real, look at the wheels on it. Ooh, I really like that one. Let's see how he does. Ooh, backwards. That was really cool. He went backwards. Yep, he went upside down too.
Yeah, too. Oh, cool,
21.
Daddy.
He is cool. I like the color of him. He's blue and orange, just like our track. Nice. Wow, look at him. This is a nice truck, Lorenzo.
Wow.
Yep, look at this. This is a nice blue truck. Let's see how Mater does. Oh, he's got to get gas. Yep.
No more
He sure
gas.
does. No more
How
gas.
about this? How about this?
He landed up. Yes, he did. Look, all the other cars are upside down, but that one landed up.
Yeah.
Look at that.
No, up.
Those ones are not up.
Up, up, two.
Yep, that one's up. It's not Rod.
Two, Daddy.
2. Yeah, that's right. You got 1, 2.
Yep, two.
Woo.
Wow. Wow. Two hammers.
Yeah.
Two hammers.
Yeah, that's right. Let's see them both go down. We got 2 of them. Here goes 1. Oh, first Fillmore made it. Second Fillmore did not. Oh, good job. Oh, look, Lorenzo, there's 2 of these ones too. Look at that. Ooh, let's see the Corvette go.
How do?
Woo.
The two up.
That's a cool car. Let's see this one. Let's see him go down the track. Ooh.
Wow.
That was awesome.
Not Daddy.
None of them landed up. You're right. They're all upside down. Wow, look at this one. It's got flames coming off the side. Do you see that? It's an Aston Martin. Yep. Look at the flames coming out. That's cool. Nice.
Yeah, not Daddy.
We'll flip some of them over just so we can see them. Let's see who we got down here. I'm flipping them over, Lorenzo, so we can see who we got. Woo!
The pool. I did me too.
Look at that. Go ahead, make them go. Nice. Oh, that's Finn McMissile. We have another one of him too, look. We got 2 of them. See that? Oh, wow. He went down this ramp and he made it in. Let's do this one down this ramp again. Ready? Other Finn. Lorenzo, look at this Jackson Storm.
Yeah. Wow.
Here goes Sarge. Wow. Sarge did it with style.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's King. Let's see King go.
People spy.
Another Jackson Storm. Look at this one. It's got like brown tires on it. Whoa.
Now what's up?
Can you put them up?
Yeah. How was up?
Boost this up. Good job.
Wow.
Dynaco Cruise. Did she land upside down?
Yeah.
We can flip her over, don't worry.
Yeah, me too.
You too?
Yeah.
Here, flip her over.
Yay.
Good job.
Wow.
Lightning McQueen.
Doc!
Doc Hudson.
Who's that?
Yep.
Wow. No, look up.
Doc is not up. You got him?
Yeah. I look up, Daddy. Look.
There
I
you
look
go.
Up.
Good job. Ramon. The cop car?
The cop car. I could put this.
Cop car, get gas.
No, cop car. I just. A cop car. Just. I'm a cop car. Yes.
What about Ham?
No.
I'm sending Ham.
Oh. Yeah.
Here comes Fabulous Lightning McQueen. You gonna try to catch him?
Yeah.
Try to catch him. Put your hand out. Yep, get a little closer. Put your hand out.